So on the page 25, we are talking about the physical human relationship. The environment influences the way humans carry out their activities. The word influences means the control. Okay? So, environment control the way humans carry out or control or do their activities. Humans through what do they to the land and how they are used. Yes, our environment control our activities. If the environment is hot, then we wear those clothes which keep us cold and comfortable. If the environment is cold, then we wear those clothes which keep us hot and warm. Okay, so humans, through what they do to the land and how they use the land, bring about the changes to the natural environment. Yes, sometimes we are removing the trees from the land. Yes, for the farms and to make roads and to make houses. What we do, we cut the trees, and when we cut the trees, it will change the environment in that area. And if all the trees of the world will be cut down, then the environment of the earth will be very hot. Okay, so the things we do in the earth can change the environment. Okay, so let me see who else is there. Okay, Abdul Rahman Hazim. Yes, please, Abdul Rahman Hazim, you can start reading. There is a close link.
Okay, sir. Uh, this is a close link between human and the physical environment. This is called the physical human relationship in geography. Figure 3.3 shows how humans bring change to the environment. Figure
Okay, okay, okay,
3.3a.
okay, okay. Thank you, Abdul Rahman Azim. Okay, so what does Abdul Rahman Azim said? Abdul Rahman Azim said there is a close link between. The word close means they are very much necessary to each other. So there is a close link between humans and the physical environment. Okay, so this is called the physical human relationship. The close link between humans, the close link between humans and physical environment, it is called as the physical human relationship. Okay. So in geography, figure 3.3 show how humans bring changes to the environment. If you see in the 3.3a, in this, what people are doing, they are cut into the mountains in order to grow crops. Okay, they are growing the crops in the mountain. In the second picture, if you see, there is a figure 3.3b, a mud house in Pakistan. The walls of the house are made of mud to make to keep the heat out. Okay, this house is made with the help of mud. Okay, there are no bricks inside it. This house is made up of mud. Why they made it? To keep the heat out, so that they will get the cool environment inside the house without the electricity or without the AC. So that's why they built the house with the mud. So in this way, they are making their houses. Okay, so the environment affect us. It's a natural fact that the environment affect us. It's a natural fact that the environment affect us because we respond according to the environment. Okay, when there's a wind, what we do? When there is a dust storm, what we do? We close the windows, we close the doors. Okay, to save from the sandstorm. Why we are doing it? Because the environment is changing and we are reacting according to the environment. When there is a rain, what people do? Some people stand in the rain and some people take a shade to save from the rain. So basically, these people are reacting or responding according to the environment. So no one will purchase something inside the rain. Why? Because if they purchase something inside the rain, they will get wet or the things will also get wet. So each and everything is based on the environment. Each and everything is based on the environment. Each and everything how our reactions, our crops, our houses, okay, our cars, our lifestyle, everything is related with the physical environment. So that's why it is called as the physical human relationship. It means that the physical environment control us and our activities are based on the physical environment. Okay, so this is about the physical human relationship. So for example, if I ask you the question, not right now, I'm just giving you the example. For example, I ask you this question in the test or in the class, that The close link between humans and physical environment is called as what? The close link between humans and physical environment is called as what? Yes, what would be the answer? Everyone can answer. Yes?
It is a physical human
Physical
relationship.
human relationship. Power.
Physical human relationship.
Very good. So, okay, for example, I make another blank. I am giving you the question in the another blank. The question is there is a dash link. There is a dash link between humans and the physical environment. Then what would be the answer? There is a
Close
dash
link. Close
close
link.
link.
Close
Close.
link.
Okay, what
Close.
does close means? Close means they are near to each other. They are necessary to each other. Okay, so they are very much necessary. Okay, there is an open link. Open link means they have no connection. They have no connection between them. Close link means they have connection. Humans and physical environment has a connection. There is a close link. There is a connection between human and physical environment, and that connection, that close link, is known as the physical human relationship. Okay, so in this lesson we will see this page. Okay, so now what you have to do, we already done the question number one. Okay, now till now everyone, some students raise the hand. I just want to ask, if you have any question, then kindly raise your hand. If you have any question, then raise your hand. Okay, if you don't have any question, then kindly lower your hand. Okay, if you have any question, I will ask your question. I'm taking your question. If you have any question, I am asking you one by one. Okay, if you guys don't have any question, then you guys can not raise the hand. Okay, yes, please. Yes, Matthew. What is your question? Matthew? Matthew? What is your question, Matthew?
Sir, I wanted to read. I just wanted to read it, but I guess I might close my mic because I just wanted to read the unit.
Okay, okay. It's a short paragraph. If it's a short paragraph, okay. So that's why in the next class you will get a chance. Okay. So now, yes, okay. Malik, yes, Malik, what is your question? Malik, do you have any
Sir,
question?
yes. How the Pakistan and how Pakistan uh, houses are made with this, but there is no AC and nothing, but they keep
Yes,
the
there is no
heat
AC.
out.
There is no AC inside these houses. The houses, the mud houses, has no ACs. Mud houses has no ACs because they are built in such a way. Okay, because they are made up of mud. Okay, and mud is become cool down when there's a wind blowing. When the wind blowing inside the mud, it will be cooled down. The houses inside, the temperature is down, and the houses are cooled down inside it. So that's why they build the mud houses, because they do the people who live in those houses, they do not afford the ACs. In the third world countries, they do not afford the ACs, so they build the houses in such a way that they will not need electricity, they will not need AC, and their houses will cool down with the help of the environment and the wind. That's why they build the house with the mud. Understand, Malik?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, yes, Abdullah Khalaf, what are you saying? Abdullah Khalaf.
Sir, sir, I want to say why in figure point three, why they do the crops, farm the crops in the mountains.
Sorry, what is your question? What they are doing in the mountain? What is your question?
Why they, in figure 3.3a, why they
Yes.
build the crops in the mountains.
Ah, okay. Okay. So because of the land, because of the land. For example, sometimes the land is not available. Sometimes the land is not available for the crop, so they grow the crop on the mountains. So that's why they cut down the mountain and they grow the crops over the mountains. Why? Because of the land. For example, if there is no way to go on the other side of the mountains, for example, consider a scenario: there is a country, one, and there is a country two. There are mountains in between. So if the people of the country one goes from country 1 to country 2, how they will go? They will have to go or take a long route to go to country 2 by crossing the mountains, or otherwise they have to cut down the mountains and make a route between the mountains, so it will be take less time to reach to country 2. So that's why they are using it. That's why they are using the land in this way. The people using the land in their own purpose. For the route, for the traveling, they cut the trees, and for the crops, they for the crops, for the eating, for the food, they grow crops on the mountain. It's just for the need. If the because if they grow crops on the very far away, it will take time to reach that land. So for their sake and for their need, they use the land which is near to them. That's why they are using it. Understand, Abdullah Khalaf? Yes, Mohammed Ahmed, what is your question? Yes.
Sir, sir, from where they bring the mud?
Okay, they didn't bring the mud from anywhere. They make the mud with the help of sand and soil. Okay, they pick up the sand and they made the mud in it. They add some water. Sometimes they add some chemicals. So they made the mud, and when it become the mud, then they use and place them on the place them like a wall, so that when the wind blows and when the sun rises, that mud will get soaked, means all the water goes up, evaporate, and only the mud is there, and the mud become hard, and in this way the houses are built. That's why in this way the houses are built. Understand, Mohammed Ahmed? Yes, please. Mohammed Ahmed, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Aram, what is your question? Yes, Aram.
Then right now the bad, bad smokes are coming out. Yes,
Sorry, which smoke is coming out?
bad smokes from the factories.
Yes, bad smoke is coming from the factories. Yes, you are right. It will also
But
affect the
sir,
environment. It will also affect the environment. See, we
but
all are
in
wearing the mask. Yes, you are saying something.
but in but in the night there are stars. If there was not bad smokes, then we can see more stars.
Yes, we can see more stars because if there is no pollution in the air, we can see so many things which is very much far away. Okay, it is possible. Okay, normally when we go to the building and see many different things and see many things, those who are very much far away. But if the environment or the atmosphere is clean, there is no smoke, we can see much more far than the normal. Okay, because there is no dust inside it. There is no dust inside the air, there is no smoke inside the air. That's why the smoke will limit our eyesight. Smoke limit our eyesight, and we cannot see the things which are very much far away. Okay, so in this way the smoke can affect our eyesight and also affect our health. Okay, so everyone should take out a notebook. Everyone should has to take out a notebook. We will do the question number 2 and 3. In the last class, we have done the question number 1, and in this class, we will do question number 2 and 3. Only two questions, and they are not that much long. Everyone should has to open the notebook, and then you has to write the question. Okay, everyone, please take out a notebook. Okay, if you didn't write the name of the chapter on the top of the page, then kindly write the name of the chapter on the top of the page and also write the date on the left top most corner. Everyone should has to write. Okay, let me show you the question. The question is on the screen. The question is on the screen. The question is saying, okay, the question is saying, the question 2 and 3 is on the screen. If you see, how do we affect the environment? By cutting trees, polluting air, and water. By cutting tree, how do we affect the environment? By cutting trees, polluting air and water, by poisonous gases coming out from factories. And there are so many ways. So I write etc, it's a etc. You can write etc. Okay, so how we are affecting the environment? By cutting trees. By cutting trees, we are raising the temperature of the world by polluting air. Okay, so that we are inhaling the dangerous diseases. Okay, and by polluting the water by poisonous gases coming out from the factories. The water which we use in our daily life has been polluted by the factories. Okay, question number. Okay, someone is saying Abdul Rahman Hazim. Yes, Abdul Rahman Hazim, what are you asking?
Sir, you will post this question course material?
No, you will write it in the notebook. I am showing
Uh,
you. I will put it in the, yes, it would be in the course. It's not in the course material. It would be in the video section. It would be in the
yes,
video
send
section. Okay, so everyone is writing. Okay, so all of you are writing. Say yes or no. All of you are writing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. That's
Yes,
right.
sir.
That's
I am
right.
Hamid Fahad. Yes.
Good. Good, Fahad. Good. 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 Okay. So question number 3 is saying, what is physical human relationship? Environment control the way humans carry out their activities. Humans carry out their activities. This close link is called physical human relationship. It's simple. Environment control the way humans carry out their activities. This close link is called physical human relationship. So simple, our human activities is based on the physical environment. So environment control the way humans carry out their activities. This link or this close link is called the physical human relationship. Take your time and write it in the notebook. After writing it, you have to send me the picture of question number 2 and 3. Make sure there is no mistake in writing the answer. Make sure there should be no any mistake in writing the answer because only two questions are there. Yes, please. Okay. So there are only two questions. You can take your time and write the questions, please. Yes. Khalid Khalil, you are saying something? Yes,
Yes,
Khalid.
sir. When I send you to your WhatsApp.
No, or send me on mail. Send me the picture on the mail in the class era.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
You're welcome, Khalid. Okay. Marwan. Yes, Marwan. You want to ask your question, any?
Sir, you said question 2 and 3. It's 3 and 4.
We are done with only one question in the last class.
Okay, sir.
It's a chapter number 3. Kindly check. The 3 and 4 is of computer. No, no, it's not computer. It's a class 5. Okay. So it's a question 2 and 3. It's correct. In the last class, we done only one question only. Question number 1. Okay. It's a 2 and 3.
Okay.
Mohammed Al Sayed. Yes, please.
Sir, why we don't put the question number two? It should be 1 and 2. Why we put three? Why we put 2 and 3?
Because in the last class, we already done the question number 1.
I should write this two question under the question number 1.
No. In the last class, did we done any question?
No. Yeah. We do one
Okay.
question.
Okay. Now it's the question number 2 and 3. Yes, Hamam.
Sir,
Yes, please.
You will put this in course material?
I will put this in the video form, in the lecture form. You have to write this. Everybody should have to send me the picture after writing. It's not necessary. You have to write this in the notebook. It's necessary. Yes, Abdullah Khalaf. Yes, Abdullah Khalaf. What is your question?
Okay, but I would say, sir, everyone can take a screenshot, sir.
Okay, you can take. You can take. Okay. So, everybody is done writing? Say yes or no.
Yes.
No.
No.
I done, sir.
No, no, no.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
no, sir,
Okay.
no.
Okay. Listen. Listen, everyone. Listen, everyone. Listen,
Sir, I
everyone.
finished writing and I send you.
Okay, that's great. Okay, those who are done, they can send the picture in the mail in the class area, and those who are not done, they can take a picture. They can take a picture or they can take a screenshot. Okay, but it's necessary to send me the picture of your notebook pages. Okay, take a picture. Take a picture right now. The period is over. Take a picture, and after you take a picture, I will stop the screen and we will end it the period. So take a picture. I will wait for 15 seconds so that you will take a screenshot. Everyone should take a screenshot, please. Those who are writing, you can take a screenshot. Okay. Yes, Yahad, what happened?
Sir, you don't know how to send in the mailbox. Can I send it in the WhatsApp of yours?
No, send me in the mail, please. Send me in the mail. If
Okay,
you
sir.
have any difficulty, you can ask Sir Hamada for this. Send me
Okay.
in the mail, please. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Malik.
Sir, I can't take a picture. I don't have mobile.
You don't have mobile?
Yes.
Okay, I will upload the video lecture. You will see the video lecture and then you can write it from the video lecture. But those who can take the screenshot, they can send me the work today. Okay. So right now the period is over. We will meet in the next class. Okay. So everybody should, I thought everybody should took the screenshot. Have a nice day.